In this video, I will show how to set A3 paper in Microsoft Excel. So there are easy and simple way to set a page in Excel. Click on this page layout, size, and in this list, just you have to click on this A3. And there are some more options. You can select statement, legal, letter, A4, A5. And once you click on more paper size, so you can adjust page, portrait or landscape, and here select A3. You can select first page number auto, or you can start any particular page. Here you can set margin vertically or horizontally, header and footer. You can create a custom header from here. Also, you can select first page header, left section, center section, and right section. Then click on OK. Same you can set footer. Once you try to print, so you can see that header and footer this way. So thanks for watching.